Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I put together some decor for a wedding reception. Stay tuned. Just a little warning, I say pretty cool in this video a whole bunch, like a whole lot. Sorry, I think it's all pretty cool. Not sorry. One of my daughters planned to get married next year, but because of different COVID restrictions and different things going on right now, she decided just to go ahead, get it out of the way, have a simple little intimate family affair, and save some money. So we put our heads together and came up with the cutest little decor for a little backyard wedding reception. For this party, I will be painting most of my pumpkins orange. Most of my orange pumpkins white. I'm actually gonna tear this down, paint all the pumpkins and the gourds white or tan. I'm gonna paint these pumpkins white. I'm gonna pull a bunch of these out. See how they take. They're all glittered, but I'm gonna hit them with some white spray paint. Try to make this all blend in. I really think that's cute. I don't need to change it at all. I might put it out on the front porch. Glued them together to make kind of a little, little tower, pumpkin tower thing. So I just took the rope off, hit them with some white. Now they blend in with everything. I had this big giant orange styrofoam pumpkin. It had a black face, like a jack-o'-lantern face painted on it. Got these. They kind of go good with the gold. This will be the only place I have gold. Oh, another little tan pumpkin. A really cool trick is if you have a stick like this, stick it through a plastic cup so you can hold it and your hand will not get painted. I got the first coat of paint on. Some of them are flipped upside down so I could do the bottoms first. And as I was sitting here looking at them, I noticed that if they could flip upside down perfectly, it almost left a blended, from white to orange. So I'm gonna flip them back out over and try it with a tan on top and see if it blends it. We'll see. So I'm gonna hit it on the top with the brown first and see how it all works. Oh my God, I think I love it. I am really looking for coverage that looks organic, yet still has some dots on it. I can't explain it other than polka dotty. Oh, look at that, I got it. Oh, see? Polka dot heaven. Just barely holding it on the corner, barely. That is polka dot heaven for me. I'm glad I got that figured out. All right. Let's see if I can do it on this one. Barely holding that corner down. Takes a little second to practice it. Look at the polka dots. I love it. Next, I'm going to use the next brown. There is a dark brown that I just used, medium brown, and then light brown. I'm going to try to do the splatters only. We'll see. These are sort of my practice pumpkins. Let's see what happens. Next up, the lighter color. Oh, I'm getting those little spots. It's a little tricky. I'd like to add that if you get a pool of paint around the little nozzle hole when you're spray painting, it seems to do the splatter a whole lot better. I found that a bunch of quick, short, fast bursts of paint sort of help it pool around the little nozzle. Give it a shot. You might be surprised if you're looking for that kind of look. Took all of my pumpkins and painted the stems. Some of them I used a paint marker, and some of them I just used some brown paint. Here you can see that I used some of that brown paint to shade in between each of the little lines along the pumpkins. I think it turned out pretty cool. These kind of remind me of concrete. I think it's a pretty cool technique. That's just painting over glitter. I got these chalkboard easels from Dollar Tree and these little letters to make signs of what we're having. have one of these trays on each table, including the cake table. Almost forgot to show the lights. I think it'll look cool at night. These lights I colored with a yellow, a gold paint pen, trying to make them not so bright. I don't know if I'll do the rest or not. I have another strain, I just didn't have the batteries for that tray. And then I'll need one more. Gotta pick up another one for the back tray. I think it looks pretty cool. The wedding was a few days ago. It was a black, white, and silver wedding, if you couldn't tell a little bit by some of the decor. Kind of like my fingernails there. Anyway, I'm gonna insert some pictures. I didn't get very good footage of the actual, when it was going on, the actual reception at our house, but I grabbed a few pictures and honed in on the centerpieces so you could see how the flowers looked. To subscribe, maybe even hit the thumbs up button. Even a comment will show that someone is watching this stuff. Come on, you guys, help me out here. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby. My new son-in-law's brother sang a song for the new couple. I put it to video so you guys could kind of hear it. It kind of got me right here. I might have had something in my eye. You can find a link to that in the description box below. I'm not going to advertise that little video. It's just for you guys who watched till the end. Thanks.